Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix music fail to play trackers error on Realme 16. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and you will see swipe up and restart device from here. After restarting, go back to home screen, enter your phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. After click on app management, scroll down and search. Scroll down and search music app from here. Click on music and click on storage usage if you want to fix this problem. So click on clear cache. After clear cache music app, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update. Click on backup and reset and click on reset phone and reset all settings. Enter your phone pin. Again click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix music fail to play trackers error on Realme 16. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.